This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Casa Dream Florida. Welcome to Summerstone in Wesley Chapel. This beautifully upgraded 4-bedroom, 2-bath home offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and functionality. Step inside to an open-concept floor plan designed for modern living and effortless entertaining. The kitchen is a true standout, featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, generous cabinetry, and ample pantry space. Ceramic tile flooring in the main living and wet areas adds durability and a touch of elegance throughout the home. Enjoy Florida living at its best in the serene backyard retreat. Summerstone residents enjoy fantastic community amenities, including a resort-style pool, playground, cabana, and half basketball court, offering something for all ages and lifestyles. Conveniently located near restaurants, shopping, grocery stores, hospitals, and major highways, this home places everything you need just minutes away. For more information,